Hi, my name is Jeff Rogowsky, the founder and CEO of Sessions Craft Canning. We started in 2014 as Ontario's first mobile canning company to the beer and beverage industry in Ontario. In our new facility, we recently installed some Aesus equipment that's helping us run faster, more efficiently. Since then, we've grown into doing more custom packaging and shrink sleeve labeling. And now we're at our new facility. It's 35,000 square feet in Mississauga. Let's go take a look. Sessions Craft Canning originally started out as Ontario's first mobile canning company, and what we have then and still now with our 4 canning lines on the road is really the ability to help the small to medium-sized craft brewer grow their business without having to invest a significant amount of capital on packaging equipment. So our customers right now range from the smallest craft brewery just starting up to even the bigger craft breweries and big breweries that have been around for a number of years, 30+ years. With our new equipment from Aesus, it just really gives us the ability to sell more cans and get people's product out to market faster. So the turnaround times are extremely important. That's why we work with a great label supplier, IMS, and with our equipment from Aesus, it just really ties everything into place. So the way the machine works is that we have the silver bullet cans, and they come in through the conveyor. You got your roll of labels, about 4,000 to a roll. And essentially what this machine is doing is putting the label, opening it up over the mandrel, sliding it onto the can, and it goes in through the heat tunnel. This machine will run anywhere from 220 to 250 cans a minute. So we're really able to supply cans to a large portion of the Ontario, Quebec and Eastern Canada market. We love the equipment from Aesus. It's state-of-the-art equipment. It helps us maintain competitive advantage in that we find it very user-friendly. The Aesus equipment definitely plays a huge part in what we do, in that it's very reliable, it gives a good quality product. Shrink sleeving really is an art, so you need a combination of good equipment but also great operators and people that really take pride in what they do. What we have here from Aesus is the Radiant Heat Steam Combo Tunnel, which allows the label to shrink properly on the can. What you want is the label to be shrunk on there evenly with minimal distortion. So these right here, the Omniron controls, are basically showing us the heat in various zones of the tunnel. We are able to manipulate that heat, whether it be raising the heat up or raising the heat down, just to control the different level of shrink to the can. So what these dials do here is basically control the amount of steam going to each section of the tunnel. When we're talking about shrink sleeving on cans, there's radiant heat tunnels, there's steam tunnels, and there's combo tunnels. What we have here with our Aesus machine is a combo tunnel that gives us the best of both worlds, with the steam being able to sort of really minimize the distortion and the heat being able to really give you a good shrink on the can. And essentially the final step in the process to make sure everything is working in sync. And when that happens, which we pride ourselves here on at Sessions Craft Canning, is getting a perfect shrink sleeve can, the label's applied nicely with minimal distortion or no distortion actually. So a huge part right now in the beer industry in general is just being able to market your product, and you need a very good quality shrink sleeve label to do that. Aesus really fits into the philosophy of our business, being it's a local manufacturer, Canadian made product. We're doing all of our application in Ontario, supporting Canadian jobs and workers and trying to keep everything in-house as much as possible. And that's what really helps us grow and maintain our business. Speaking of which, I think I'm going to go have a couple beers right now.